first, it sounds like a routine stop, but within seconds, everything starts spiraling. You can already hear the urgency in their voices. This isn't normal.
Mr. Otto, he's in the back. Get out! Get! Fuck! Stop the car!
Get the fuck out! Fuck!
Get out! Shit! You better stop! Stop! Fucking...
This is the moment that really hit me. The officer isn't just chasing anymore. He's stuck, hanging on, completely exposed. You can actually feel how dangerous this situation has become.
Oh, fuck! Stop! Stop! Fucking slow down! Stop the fucking car! Stop the fucking car! Stop the fucking car! Stop!
Listen closely here. The officer gives multiple warnings. This isn't instant. There's hesitation, there's pressure, and you can hear how badly he wants this to stop without force.
I can't jump off!
And just like that, it's over. All that chaos, all that shouting, suddenly replaced with one line, shots fired. It's a reminder of how fast these situations escalate and how there's no rewind once that line is crossed.
Stop! I'm going to fucking shoot you! Stop! Stop! Stop it! Stop it! Stop the fucking car! He did it! I don't stop! Stop it now! Oh, stop! No, you don't gotta fucking sit! Stop it, Otto! He's going to shoot you! Stop! Are you done? 2180 shots fired! Sudden medical!